First pitch is hit high in the air, deep to left field. If this is fair, it could be. It is number 500 for Alex Rodriguez. Puts the Yankees in front.
That done 3 years ago to the day. Now A-Rod with a long chase to 600, and here it is.
The 2-0. High drive, center field, deep, going back Wells, looking up. See ya! There it is, number 600, Alex Rodriguez, the youngest man ever to get to 600 home runs. And now one of just 7 big league ball players in the history of the game to hit that many home runs. 600 is a 2-run shot and a 2-0 Yankee lead.
A-Rod, the youngest by a year and 188 days. Babe Ruth had been the youngest before this home run. Nice curtain call from the fans there at the stadium. As for Phil Hughes, top 2 showing some good stuff. Vernon Wells can't lay off the high heat, and then Adam Land can't touch this. Hughes, 5 1/3, gives up just 1 run. Mark Teixeira, bottom 3, doing his thing. Goes to right center field there. That's extra bases. Derek Jeter, he comes home. RBI double Teixeira. Yankees ahead 3-0. Now 3-1. Teixeira at it again in the 5th.
That one is lined into left center field. It is a base hit. Gardner scores. Jeter scores. Moving to third is Swisher. It's a 2-run single for the red-hot Teixeira.
A 3 RBI day for Tex. Next up, Alex Rodriguez fouls it off the hand of John Buck. Buck will be forced to leave the game with a thumb laceration, so a lengthy delay during A-Rod's at bat as Jose Molina takes over behind the plate, and A-Rod ends up popping out. He went 1 for 4 with 2 RBIs on his big day. 9th inning, Yankees ahead 5-1. Mariano Rivera hasn't had much work of late with that 3-game losing streak, but snags the liner from Travis Snyder, and the Yankees take it 5-1. Derek Jeter with a big game, going 4 for 4 at the plate. He scored 3 runs. Hughes earns his 13th win on the historic day as the Yankees salvage the finale. The Bombers will rest on Thursday, then welcome the Red Sox to the stadium for 4 games beginning on Friday.